Hey everyone, so it is Friday, it's 5 p.m. We should be at Calabogie by now, but we are still in Markham at Driven in classic team part out fashion. We had found a critical failure in the rear suspension. Enrique last night, as he was kind of doing the final touch-ups, gave the rear strut a bit of a shake and it was completely loose because the threads at the bottom had basically pulled out, or either through vibration or force, the threads are just completely stripped. So luckily we were able to find a set of T-ins, Flex Z's in super short notice. So shout out to Patrick at B Squared Numi Racing, our rivals but also our good friends, for hooking us up and helping us find these. So we spent the whole day basically taking out the suspension, putting in the new suspension, and we're just about to wrap up the alignment on the rack and hit the road. Hopefully get there before midnight. Maybe a little bit of setup of pits at the track. If we get there too late, then you know it'll just be an early morning.
First place. Visualize. Then you gotta bring it into reality. Jason, put on the hat. Put on the hat. You gotta visualize it. Then you gotta bring it into reality.
I'll wait for when we get our
Here we go.
When we get our first
go. Team part out, supported by Driven Motorsports. Here we go. Here we go.
Yeah, he's pretty hyped up. I'm pretty hyped too. I think the car's gonna be good. The K24 motor should suit Calabogie a lot better than it does Shannonville, mostly because of our setup, but the extra displacement is gonna help us relative to the field because Calabogie has quite a few long straights. So we'll use that towards our advantage and hopefully get out of the traffic pretty early during the first race tomorrow.
Last event, we replaced the transmission the day before. The Shanny that we came in second with the Civic, we replaced the transmission.
And then the windscreen. The windscreen incident?
No, that wasn't good.
that was bad.
That was two last minute. Once the race starts, then we're screwed.
That was like on a Saturday, and then we replaced it. Like we came back, right?
Yeah, and then we fixed the transmission that night.
That's crazy.
I'm half expecting that with the fresh suspension, even though obviously it's a bit of a downgrade, who knows, it might actually drive a little bit better. There's less tolerance in some of the...
a little bit more softer, you know what I mean?
Yeah, the car will be able to set the ride height a bit lower, I think. And the main thing is like the Motons, because they're so old, they just had a little bit of slop everywhere in terms of the a little bit of movement. And so that could actually help with the bump steer a lot and just keep the toe true.
This is the height out of the box. I didn't touch it.
How hot? Let's see. Actually, that's pretty good.
It's reasonable.
It's reasonable. Yeah, the rears definitely look a little bit lower than they were before. It's still kind of like what? Like I call it like 2-finger gap.
It's like 3.
So yeah.
Yeah, 3-finger gap. That's fine.
What you guys to do after I do the alignment is you have to mark the two arms.
Yeah.
Because this has 2 lock nuts now instead of just a 1. Yeah, so you gotta keep an eye on it in case.
In case what? It walks?
In case like it comes off, yeah, then...
Where can we watch it from? Look at it from?
No, we can mark it from the top.
Okay.
You can look at it, yeah. So we'll mark it on the top afterwards.
This car, crazy. The harmonics of everything just shakes everything loose.
Yeah, that's the K motor without the balance shafts.
Yeah, last time we were missing an engine motor mount, right?
Oh, we got that in this time, right?
Okay, and then we're missing the strut top nut.
Yep.
What else were we missing? Well, that's already enough.
The dash came apart.
The dash came apart.
I think what we need to do this time is right at the pit wall, we need to have every single socket size on a ratchet ready for things that could get loose. So just like basically just pick things off, and like every single time we come in for
all right now, like
yeah, every single time we come in for a pit, we basically just have to tighten everything real quick.
19, 17, 21, 22, 27.
So basically an entire socket set.
Or you can eliminate all that socket by adjustable wrench.
Yeah.
Alright, it's done.
It's done. Let's go.
Wash it.
Let's go.
You want to do the honors?
We have to wash it.
Here we go.
Are we actually washing it?
Chris is the only one that wants to
See out the front. I literally can't see through the front.
All right.
I brought some Car Pro bug out.
I mean, I had my washer, all that stuff there. You just pull it outside there.
Thank you, sir.
One of our buddies, Matt, just picked up a brand new Silverado. We just went to pick it up this afternoon. He's going to be joining us for this weekend. It is going to be very useful for fuel runs, as we'll just put all of our Hunsaker fuel jugs in the back and kind of fill it up right from there, hopefully. If not, well, you know, if we're trying to be safe, then we take the jugs off and put them next to the gas station fill, because you're not supposed to actually fill from the bed, but it does make it easier. How was the first drive?
Fun.
Yeah?
Yes.
Yeah, just 401 traffic though.
Oh, God. 401, spend 8 hours, you've moved 4 feet.
Yep. Why is this car so much better than yours?
It's not.
Why?
It's not.
It's so much better than yours.
It's not.
Look at this.
Let's see
6
it.
speed, you know?
No, man.
Drives well, actually
No,
has
man.
proper clutches.
No, man. Let's see a manual one go faster. It's not a single one that's been faster.
Well, someone came back from the test drive. So does it drive straight?
Yeah, drive straight.
Steering wheel straight?
Yep. Mostly. It's better than before. We need to take all this stuff out. Oh, what is it on?
You can't complain. The rickiness, the racketiness, the bump steer, the creaks, the cracks, it's just like that. The missing bolts, it's just like that. Just like that. Just gotta drive it.
Yeah, it's
You're dealt-
Chris's famous catchphrase.
You're dealt a hand of cards, and that's it. That's just what you got. It's what you got for the weekend. And then Chris drives it, and then Jason drives it, G-Sun drives it, and I drive it. Everyone gets a different set of cards. Just gotta
It's true.
survive.
Car feels so different every session.
Feels completely different. You just gotta survive. If the car at practice at S&P felt completely different than after Chris and Jason drove it on my stint. It was just like relearning the car all over again. Of course, different tires, different conditions, but it's not just that. Like the car is just completely different.
Right?
Just strip it. Repaint it, next side windows.
I want to. I bought discs for it, the 3M disc.
This is probably like the first time the car's been washed in, I don't know, like 2 years maybe. Might as well try to make it look good. At least we'll get all the bugs off of it from Shannonville that are just plastered over the front grille right now. Car's got its good sides. It's pretty good looking from certain angles.
It's an airflow, man. That's how you don't swirl it. Like this, you do 2 wipes,
What airflow?
one side then the other, and you put it in the bucket. Dude, this guy's swirling. Look at him. He's just
I'm
literally
swirling.
swirling.
Look at my everything but the hood on that car. No swirl.
And you put it in here, and you ring it, and you ring it, and you put it in here.
Dude, you did it the opposite way.
Oh no!
You
No!
You just ruined the buckets.
It's okay. It's okay. Along the lines of airflow, man. You gotta make it more slippery through the air.
Don't make me ceramic coat this car.
Yo, what is this? Duct tape?
Yeah.
What's it for?
To not expose the raw carbon fiber.
Okay.
Probably should.
Yeah, so the reason why we have this super fast custom duct taping here is because the carbon fiber is starting to split, and we didn't want the wind to catch it to continue to split it further, and then have the hood release into the windshield
Reach the top.
and crack that.
Yo, I did the front of the car.
That's why there's duct tape. Does it make you feel more of a man that you can touch the top of this car?
I mean, I can just reach the top of that. I just can't get the roof racks.
Sorry, G-Sun.
Yo, I did the door.
Last time.
You did it. All the rubber on there.
Should we just call your brother and have him do this instead of your scrub work?
Yeah, I know. No, man, he only works in high-end shit.
Oh, what are you trying to say? That's true. He did work on your car, so I don't know. His standards are kind of slipping.
Yeah, because we're washing away the second place dirt, so that we can get the first place dirt in place. You know. See, the
Yeah, first place dirt you leave on there for the life of the car.
Yeah, that's it. We gotta park it in the museum after.
Yeah. So
yeah.
are we saying that if we win this weekend, we're never gonna wash this car again?
No, we're never gonna wash it or use it.
Retirement for the car now.
First place it's done!
Honestly, I legitimately should have hit the kill switch before washing this.
Yeah, just you know, just watching a live wired car, no problem, with no windows.
We're gonna celebrate Jason's.
No, see. Yeah, that's true, but also I think that is the sticker for Jason Lee.
The shit's not sticking.
It's not sticking? What does it say?
You know where it'll have to go is right here.
Okay.
That's funny.
There you go.
Drop it down. Let's take a look. Actually, that's pretty good. It's pretty good. That'll make sure that nobody, you know, just gets too close to you into the corner.
Yeah, that's right. Because it bumps here, boom, right into the other cars.
Yeah, lights are on.
But ignition's not on though.
Lights is on. Hey, Chris, are the lights on?
No lights.
Wait.
Oh yeah, you were telling me.
Chris?
The only thing in what? One thing. The front
The-
lights don't work. That's normal.
Oh, okay.
Now, because like the,
It's like that.
I just didn't bother doing it.
How are we gonna do a 24-hour race?
I have
One of the issues with the RSX, because it used to have a 5-speed, is we didn't have the proper harness for the reverse lockout after we switched to a 6-speed transmission. So last time we were at Shannonville, it was so hard to hit 5th gear, and we were wondering like what's going on, why is it so hard to hit 5th and keep misshifting and sometimes pop it into 3rd. The issue is that when we were pushing to the right gates, we were essentially hitting the reverse plane. And the way that the Honda motors are usually accommodated for this is that there's a reverse lockout solenoid that, depending on whether the vehicle is moving forward at a certain speed, it engages the lockout so that you cannot access the reverse plane. Now, we didn't know this, and we had the issues that I just discussed. So what we did was actually we wired a manual switch. So when we have it in the up position, that's basically race mode, we can access 5th gear by going over to the right, and it will not go into the reverse plane of the shifter. It'll just be the 5-6 range. Finally closing her up for the long trip ahead.
Team MTech.
Yeah, we need a new sticker.
To be honest, I think MTech wants that sticker up. This thing is used to towing GT3 RSs, GT4 RSs, GT2 RSs, all that. Now, RSX.
Yeah.
RSX, baby.
It's okay, man.
Here we
More
go.
podiums, more podiums.
More podiums, more podiums. That's right.
We have to do it from middle out.
New beginning.
All right, time for the driven sticker to go on the formerly MTech trailer.
Yeah, can someone hold this?
Okay, let's see how level they can get it. No, to the right. Jisung, your side needs to come down. A little bit more. A little bit more.
The trailer's off level 2.
Yeah, I mean, that looks pretty good to me.
Okay.
It is what it is.
Driven period. Oh, it's coming up as I do the sticker. Let's go from this side actually.
So everything's loaded up. We are going to finally hit the road. 4 hours to get to Calabogie or so, says Chris, if we take the 407. Still have to get to the track tonight and kind of set up the pit as best as we can, so we don't have to get up way too early in the morning. So, yep. All right, next time you see us, it should be Saturday morning.
Unless it's like, it's just rising above the cloud.
My photo looks like complete shit.
Yeah.
Like compared to what I see in real life. Look at this. Like, look how bad this photo is.
That's
Like, look how sick that looks in real life.
That looks terrible.
It looks so terrible. Look at my photo. It's so bad compared to what I see in real life.